Good evening, everybody. How are you all doing today? Um, this all the orchid that I got other day from discount. I repot all of them. I didn't video for repotting because I did a lot more videos about repotting, and this is too many to show in the video. So I put it in the seaweed fertilizer and tea solution for 2-3 hours first day, and then put it in clear water and put another like 4-5 hours, and then I pick up and clean it up and pot it, and you can see the condition is no stress on them. Only few of them have a sign of stress, like this one. This one is dried in the shop, so you can see how it's get like shriveled, dried, and this also tips of the leaves. And other than that, every other one is very healthy and parky. Is no stress in them. You can see this how green and lush. All of them are very, see this, strong. So I put it in small cup. They uh, they were in the very small plastic cup, very flimsy one. I threw those away and clean it and put each one mini phalaenopsis in this cup. So you can see all of them are in this kind of cups. And see this, the roots. All of them are look good. This one have a spike, but I don't think it will leave. I'll wait for another week, and if nothing happened, I'll cut it off. And you can see all of them parked up very well, and whatever damage happened over there, that happened, but not too many have damaged. See this one whole plant is good. See how it is. But see this leaf, this leaf I have to cut off. For some reason it's rotting. So if I don't cut off, then it might spread. So the whole plant is healthy, so I don't want anything to spread. So only 2 or 3 of them have a little bit of problem. Other than that, every single one is very healthy, and you can see the roots. Write down. I write down all of them on the side. White, yellow and pink striped throat. So I'll know which one is which one. So I'm not very good at phalaenopsis, but you know, instead of they threw it away, if I don't get it that day, by the evening or next morning, they would have threw it away. So I say, okay, let's try and see what I can do for them. And see, some of them has flower on them is fell off. Some of them are like this flower. And so these are all phalaenopsis. I think it's about 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12. I think about 18 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them are big phalaenopsis, like this one, not regular phalaenopsis, and I think about 10 of them or something is mini phalaenopsis. This one have like very dark purple. It was in the spike, but spike dried off because of the condition of the plant. So I cut it off, but this one is different than every other mini phalaenopsis here. This one is dark purple mini phalaenopsis, and rest is this one. This one is very pretty. Show you. The flower is hardly hardly living. See this. This side have a line. So, and then these are all the phalaenopsis, and now this one I didn't repot, I just water it. This is Dracena. Dracena marginata, and the plant foliage is so droopy, it doesn't stay up. So I put a stick. See, this is stick here, and I tie it up here. Let me open and see if it is stay now. No. No. I think. Oh no. Oh well. I think I have to cut these. See this. This is soft and rotten, so I have to cut this. Maybe if I cut it here and put the cinnamon powder dried off, then maybe it will give a new shoot on the side. And also turn around this way. Okay, so this one and this one, well, one shoot is still alive. See this shoot is still alive, 1, 2, oh, 3. This one is from that. 1, 2, and 3 is rotten, but the base is still strong. So I'll cut off here and put cinnamon powder and wait for to recover. And this shoot is still good and healthy. And this whole thing is good. You can see this is still good and healthy. As leaves are not standing up yet, but the the stem is healthy. So it will recover. It's also drying the leaves, so whatever leaves get stressed too much is falling. And also my house is so dry, it's unbelievably dry. So that's what I have to do now. I have to cut these wilted stems. See this one. Luckily this two is live, and this one is live, and these are not live. I mean stem is base is no, this one is all gone. This one is all gone. You can see. I can peel off. This one is all gone. It's a goner. Yep. It's moving like this. So this one is still good. So I think I can save this. This gone. I can save this, and this is good. And this is the bonsai one. So a little bit leaves was here. Little bit leaves was here. It's all dried off because as it was very, very dried. The whole plant was dry. And bonsai not supposed to be completely dry at all time, at any time. So, but I have hope. See this stem is green and flexible. Even though leaves are falling, the branches are green. And see, one leaf is still green. See this? So I still have hope for this. I'll have to repot this. I'll make a video in future. First I have to make the bonsai soil, and then I'll repot it, and maybe I'll need a bigger pot, because you see this, the roots are coming out of the pot. So I don't know how they send it to the store like this. It's not like they sent it year ago. It's just I don't know why they did this, but anyway. So this bonsai one, and this called ficus ginseng. Ficus ginseng is grafted. See, they graft it here. So this is a bonsai. I never had a bonsai before, so I thought, okay, let me learn with this one, and then maybe I'll get a bonsai, or I'll make a bonsai, something like that. So this one still have hope, and this one also still have hope. Maybe one is gone, but rest will be okay, I think. So this is it, the update of my IKEA plant haul. Um, Thank you very much for watching. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and put thumbs up and leave comment. Bye now.